What you gonna do with me? Pop off, yeah, yeah. Pop off, yeah. Pop off, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pop off, yeah.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Angie. I am back with another video. If you're new, hit that subscribe button by turning that notification, by hitting that bell. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please give a big thumbs up. Lego. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. The link is down in the description down below. I hope you all have an amazing and safe day. Today, my son about to put this puzzle together, guys. The 24-piece puzzle. Melissa and Doug, Under the Sea, guys. 24-piece puzzle. My son will be putting this together, guys. Okay, we're going to take this place off. Ever get this fast off, guys. It really does. Okay. This right here, guys. This is part two of Melissa and Doug Under the Sea puzzles. Look like this, guys. My son about to put this together. They like the wooden puzzles. He gonna put this together today. The Under the Sea. Okay. Now we got to together. Okay, come on. Hey, my son about to put this together, guys. Okay, go ahead. Take your time. I hope y'all having a blessed day and staying safe outside. If you guys like looking for puzzles, jigsaw puzzles for your children, go to Amazon.com, guys. They sell them a little cheap. It's not expensive, a good reasonable price. They go to Amazon.com. They sell these right here, guys. It's called Melissa and Doug. The Jigsaw puzzle. They got different kind of puzzles for children. The puzzles they made out of wood, like the wood material. Y'all hear that? They made out of wood. That's what they made out of. Very, very good. Excellent, excellent. Good job, Derek. Good job. I see, whale, the seahorse, the starfish, look like a crab or something like that. And perfect, perfect. Hold it up so they can see your puzzle. Good job, buddy. Hold it up so they can see it. Hold it up so everybody can see it. Hold it up. Hold it up, baby. Hold it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Turn it around. Turn it around. Ooh, that's perfect. Look, guys. Look at my son did. That is beautiful. Hold it up like that. Hold it up like that. Hey, that's pretty. You did good. Give that a big thumbs up, guys. My son did this, y'all. That is beautiful. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.